Good morning, children. Today we are going to do exercise of first day at school, unit 1. Today we are going to do new exercise. What is the question? Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. First day at school we have done new words and meanings also, right, and question answers also. But today we are going to do another exercise of it. That is what? Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Here 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 answers are given. From these 4 answers we have to select only one which is correct answer. We have to write in the blank and we have to write the correct alphabet in the box. So shall we start? Okay. I wonder if my dash will be as good as there. I wonder if my blank will be as good as theirs. So A, reading, B, singing, C, drawing, D, writing. So what is the correct answer, children? C, drawing. So we will write over here DRAWING, drawing, and we'll write C over here. Now we'll go to the next page. What is the next question? I wonder if my blank will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my blank will look like mom or gran. So what is the answer over here? We'll read the options. A, teacher, B, friend, C, grandmother, D, mother. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is A, teacher. So we will write teacher over here, and in the box we will write A. What we will write? A over here. Now next question. I wonder if my blank will wonder where I am. Over here what he is thinking about his pet. So we'll read the options. A, mom, B, happy, B, puppy, C, grand, D, teacher. So what over here he is talking about his puppy. So PUPPY, puppy. And we will write over here B. What we will write? We will write over here B. Now we'll go to the next exercise. What is the next exercise over here? Look at the pictures and write the correct word from the box. Now you can see a box are given. In the box words are given. We'll read the words first. HAPPY, happy, SAD, sad, ANGRY, angry, SURPRISD, surprised, SHY, shy, SCARED, scared. So over here you can see the picture of a boy. What is the picture of a boy over here? He is happy. So we'll write over here happy, HAPPY, happy. So we'll circle over here happy. Now over here girl is in a very bad mood, so she is angry. So we'll write ANGRY, angry, and we'll circle over here angry. Over here you can see a girl. A girl is very sad. She is crying. So we'll write SAD, sad, and we'll circle on sad. Then over here you see a boy. A boy is happy also, surprised. So here it will be surprise, SURPRISD. Then what is this? This boy is scared. What happened? This boy is scared. So we will write scared for him. What we'll write? We'll write scared for him, SCARED, scared. And over here you can see a girl is hiding behind the curtain. So she is shy. So SHY, shy. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Over here what it is saying? Look at the pictures and write the correct action words from the box. Here in the box options are given, words are given. Looking at the picture we have to find out the words from here suitable and write in the blanks. Now the first picture is what? The boy is standing. So we will write STANDING, standing. So we circle on standing. Then what is this boy doing? Jumping. So we will circle on jumping, JUMPING, jumping. Now what this boy is doing? This boy is walking. So we will circle on walking and we'll write WALKING, walking. What this boy is doing? The boy is throwing the ball. So we will write throwing. THROWING, throwing. What this boy is doing? Catching. CATCHING, catching. What this girl is doing? Reading. So we circle on reading and we'll write READING, reading. What this boy is doing? Action of eating. So we will write eating. EATING, eating. What this girl is doing? Drinking. DRINKING, drinking. What this boy is doing? Kicking. KICKING, kicking. You can see in the picture the boy is having ball and he is kicking the ball with his foot. So kicking. Now we'll do the another picture. What this boy is doing? Singing. So SINGING, singing. What this girl is doing? Sitting. She's sitting on a chair. So she is sitting. What this boy is doing? Running. RUNNING, running. This boy is writing. So WRITING, writing. And what this girl is doing? Girl is dancing. So DANCING, dancing. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Please complete this exercise with neat and good handwriting in your notebook. Complete this exercise with neat and good handwriting in your notebook. Thank you. Now next picture is of what? What boy is doing? Singing. So we'll write SINGING, singing. What the girl is doing? The girl is sitting on a chair. So SITTING, sitting. What this boy is doing? Running. So RUNNING, running. What this boy is doing? He is writing. So WRITING, writing. And what this girl is doing? This girl is dancing. So DANCING, dancing. So dear children, please complete this exercise with neat and good handwriting in your notebook. Thank you.